What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, this one's going to be a little weird, right? Because I'm not in my studio. This is the best place that I could create a video at the moment. I'm doing it on my Z Fold, which gives me the ability to kind of multitask and have a multi-screen, which honestly, a lot of phones can do that. But that's not why we're here. Why we're here is to talk about XRP and the movement that we're seeing in XRP right now. It's great to see this level of movement, after we haven't seen these levels in a little bit. We saw Bitcoin that decreased, and then, everything else decreased with it, XRP included, which we needed, right? We needed to see a little bit of a reversal. We needed to see it fall down to lower levels. I think it got to below $2. It was at like $1.90. Which was great for people to then find a level to invest in at, because if you would have done that, you would have been able to gain a substantial percentage just from that level to where we are here. And I've already seen that people have made money from leverage trading XRP just for that brief moment. Now, speaking of leverage trading, if you guys want to check out my link down below for BTCC, feel free to check out that link. It's at the top of the description, where you guys can get the ability to 500x leverage if you want to, if you find a unique scenario to where it hit its absolute low point, and you were then able to capture a huge gain out of it, maybe 500x leverage, maybe 50x leverage. Don't know why these lights cut off, but they did. I guess they must have cut off because I have somebody working on the garage, and that's why I'm up here rather than downstairs. So it's probably good that I'm not downstairs, because then the entire house lights would have cut off. I don't understand why this one light is still on though. All other lights are off. So yeah, but yeah, they're working on the panel. Anyways, for XRP, we're in a good spot. So again, I was talking about leverage trading. If you want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to check out that link down below in the description. I'll also hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. But we're seeing new life right now. We're seeing huge movement. I'm just going to really go through it. I'm not going to show anything on the screen because I don't have the ability to do that right now. But we're seeing new life right now in XRP, and it's all coming from, obviously, 2025 and what's going to happen there, but also a lot of hype coming around the stablecoin, RLUSD. I have an article here. Ripple's new stablecoin for payment will be available to trade Tuesday, and that's a big deal because just having that connection and having that huge stablecoin launch. There we go. Now it's back on. So they're switching it off and on. Having that huge launch is big for XRP, XRPL, for Ripple, for everybody involved, right? Investors will be available to trade Ripple's new stablecoin beginning Tuesday. The company said after the New York State Department of Financial Services gave its approval earlier this month. The US dollar-backed stablecoin called Ripple USD or RLUSD will be issued on the Ethereum blockchain and XRP ledger, and first available on some global exchanges, with plans to expand to others in the coming weeks. It will not initially be available on Coinbase or Robinhood, which is a bummer, right? But Coinbase heavily works with USDC and USDT. Part of the impetus for us wanting to launch the stablecoin is the growth we've seen specifically in cross-border payments. Jack McDonald, Ripple's senior vice president of stablecoins, told CNBC, as we've been using stablecoins more and more in our flows, that really piqued our interest, that we should have our own native stablecoin that can be more cost effective and more operationally efficient to use. The launch comes amid elevated hopes in the crypto industry for clearer and friendlier U.S. regulations in President-elect Donald Trump's upcoming term. the Securities and Exchange Commission under crypto advisor Gary Gensler. Gensler's leadership famously made an example of Ripple in 2020 lawsuit that claimed the company was selling XRP as an unregistered security, offering a judge handed Ripple a partial win in 2023, ruling that although XRP is a security when sold to institutions, it is not a security when sold to retail investors on exchanges. And I'm sure that will be fought as we go through. The market cap for dollar-backed stablecoins has grown 50% this year and about 15% since election. Tether USDT dominates about 70% of it, followed by Circle issued USDC, which makes up 20%. So obviously there's a lot of good feedback. There's a lot of hype around this here. And I want to go over to, crypto or coin market cap really quick, just to kind of look that up, and hopefully it doesn't bring it up and just exit out of everything. I want to try and bring it up here. So let me see. Let me go to coin market cap and drag it over. All right, so where XRP is right now, obviously Bitcoin's at a massive level, and we'll talk about that in a future setting. But XRP itself, it's currently sitting at a $2.65 price. It's up 11.5% on the day. We can see that when we look at it over the past year, it just looks absolutely phenomenal, from a level of 62 cents and lows of like 40 cents all the way up to the high where it got close to that $3 mark. And right now it's sitting at a level of $2.65 from the recent pullback of below $2. So it's great to see that level of an impact. And if you had the ability to leverage trade during that time, or even trade outright, you were able to make so much money out of that. Now, if we look at the volume, we're seeing $18.5 billion worth of volume, which gives it a great volume market cap ratio for something that is worth $151 billion worth of a market cap. For all the people that said this wouldn't be worth these levels, obviously I wouldn't say you're crazy, right? Everybody can have their own opinion, but you obviously didn't see all the things that a ton of people have seen. And this is literally just the start. It's just the tip of the iceberg for where XRP is going to go and what it's going to be used for and how it's going to be implemented and all these different things that make it such a stronger project, such a stronger community as well. So I'm hype around this. I haven't done anything with my XRP. I still hold all of my XRP, just to let you guys know. I still believe heavily in XRP above a level of $5, $10, $20, $100. This is what I see within it. But again, this is all my opinion. I want to know what you guys think. So again, if you guys want to get involved in leverage trading, I will have a link to BTCC down below at the top of the description. I will also have other links to other places and my store if you want to buy a Profit Apparel shirt or something like that. But I'm going to get out of here. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.